Whenever I have a cold, scratchy throat, or runny nose, this is my go-to. I love making soup from scratch from anything I can find in my house, and there's always plenty if you take a look. I start with chicken and diced tomatoes to make it hearty. Then I add whole milk to make it creamy, and this is where it gets better. I try and go into my cabinet and grab every spice I can, but this time I found an allspice combination from Costco. I also add turmeric, black pepper, salt. I hear rumors that you need black pepper and turmeric together to be effective, but I'm not entirely sure that's true. And then the salt is always good for the throat. Stir that together. I cook it up till it's really hot and enjoy. Hint, hint, the spicier, the better.